Listen, man. Hey, yo.
Hi kings and queens, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you are new here, welcome to my channel. I am Key, and today we are going to be making honeysuckle syrup. But before we get into that, if you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. We are on our way to 1,000 subscribers, and I need you all help, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. Hit the like button, leave a comment, share this video, and let's get into it now, okay? Also, another disclaimer, I am no doctor, okay? I am no doctor. So if you want to make your own honeysuckle syrup or forage out in the wild and create with the herbs and stuff, talk to your doctor. Talk to your doctor, okay? Because don't be trying to get me for my 70 cents, because she did not tell you to do it. I'm only telling you what I do and showing you, okay? So don't try it, okay? We are foraging honeysuckles. Not just us, but can you see that bee over there? So yeah, I'm just going to gather about 50 plus leaves and then head inside. So I'm just going to come here and just pinch this off right here, because I don't want to break apart the sap. So I'm just going to take a bit of the stem as well. Yeah. Just pinch it off. Okay, so for this segment, I decided to do a voiceover. As you can see, my camera has died on me. It is laid over next to the stove, and I thought I was recording, and nothing was recording. So currently in the pot, I have 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water. Okay, now that I have it to the consistency that I need it to be, I'm going to add the flowers. I'm just going to blanch them. I don't want to cook out the medicinal properties that it has. So now I'm going to strain this out because it is going to thicken up, and that will be not fun trying to get those flowers out of there. Okay, and then you can just press down, make sure you really got everything. Okay. Okay, so now that the honeysuckle has cooled down, we are now going to transfer it into our glass container. We also are going to write the name and the date on the glass and store it away. Okay, so let's get to that. What is today's date? I think it is 7/13. Let's do 21 on the end just to be safe. You just want to make sure you put as much information on your label for you as possible. This here is going to take no time for me to use. I really did not have to put the year on it, but for those who may not, okay, stick it on there. So we're just going to pour it in. And My tip would be, do not let this become like, because as it cools down, it's going to, you know, turn into more of a syrup. So I would say don't allow that to happen before you pour it in the jar. Okay? Hold on, Deuce. I don't even know where I was. My son needed me, so I had to pause the video. So, you do not want this to be syrup before you pour it in here. You kind of want to make it to be easy. So, not too set yet. Sort of on the fluid side. And you just going to, this is not for people who have dexterity issues. Let me just say, this is hard. It really is. But there you have it. You have a simple honeysuckle syrup. And I would say it's pretty good for about, how long have I ever had these out? See, I use mine probably within 2 weeks, but it should be good well over a month. Well over a month. Depends on how much you drink tea or how much you would need this syrup for.